Yeah, hi guys, welcome to my channel Tech World. Today we will learn how to create AWS EC2 instance. So guys, please open your internet browser. And type here www.aws.com. Now guys, AWS website page open, and you can see a lot of option here, but we will click on sign into the console. So click on the option sign into the console. Now here you can see sign in page opened, and here also two options: create a new AWS account, which we have already used in my previous video, how to create new AWS account. And now sign in option, and you can see here two option: root user, IAM user. So we are log in first time, so we will log in through root user, and IAM user also we can log in, but right now we don't have IAM user account. Click on sign in. Now you can see here AWS management console page open. Now we are logging in Mumbai region. This is service option. We are already on this page. Find service EC2. Now EC2 page open. Now guys, you can see your resources, and you are using the following Amazon EC2 resources in the Asia Pacific Mumbai region. So this is I am from India, so I choose the Asia Pacific and I choose Mumbai region. So my machine will be configured in Mumbai region. Running instance 0, detected host 0, volume 0, key pair 0, placement group 0, elastic IP 0, snapshot 0, load balance 0, security group by default 1. Now guys, click on launch instance. Choose an Amazon machine image. So guys, we will choose your operating system image. You can choose Windows image, you can choose Linux image, you can choose other operating system image. So now I will choose Linux image, because I am going to configure a Linux Ubuntu machine. Now type of operating system name. So I am going to configure Ubuntu 18.04. So this is free tier eligible, that's why I am choosing that image. There is a lot of images. Ubuntu 18.04 LTS. Select the image, select. Now here pricing detail, the pricing detail according to instance type, and it is pricing as per hour of instance. Now click on continue. Choose an instance type. You can choose your instance type, what kind of instance you need. If you need to high configuration, then you can choose large or extra large. If you need to basic, you can choose micro, small, the all type of instance available here. But we are going to demo, so we will choose T2 dot micro. This is free tier eligible, that's why I am choosing this one. Free tier eligible. Click on option and configure instance detail. Now click on next. Now here is configure instance details. Number of instance, you can choose number of instance, what yeah. The root storage volume size is 8 GB by default, and IOPS 100 upon 3000. This is free tier eligible customer can up to 30 GB, so we can use 30 GB volume size here, but now we are leave it 8 GB by default, so we don't need to up to this size. Next, add tag, add tags. uh, this is the computer name. uh, so if you want to give your instance name, so you can tag it what name you are going to give. So now I am tagging this machine as a computer, so I am giving computer name. So I am giving a name here computer, and key value you can give same value, computer dash home. So this is the example, you can give any name. Then next, configure security group. So guys, this is very important part. To create a new security group, select an existing security group. So I want to create a new security group, and security group name you can give security group name, but I am not giving any security group name. I am going with default security group name, and this is type of security SSH. So that means security group means what kind of ports you are allowing to you are for accessing this instance. So right now default port SSH port 22. Launch the instance, the review instance launch, so you can verify your previous configuration details. Now click on launch. Now this is also very important. Select an existing key pair or create a new key pair. So guys, this public key is used for accessing your instance, so please keep it safe in your laptop or any Now I am going to create new key pair, so I will choose new key pair. Create a new key pair, and I am key pair name. So I am providing name here lockdown 2020, because this is the time to this is the lockdown time due to pandemic coronavirus, so that's why I am providing the name. I can remember that name. Yeah, then launch instance. Now instance is initializing. You can see a create security group successfully, authorizing inbound rules successful. Now it will take some time. Now launching. following instance are launching. View launch log. If you will click on view launch log, then you can see here what thing has been completed. Now we will click on EC2 instance, and here you can see resources. Now running instance 1, volume 1, key pair 1, security group 2. So because we have created these things, now click on running instance, and you will see here our instance is initializing. Now it will take some time. Here you can see IP address, key names, security group names, instance ID, instance status. All details are available here, and you can see all the things. Now instance is initializing, so wait for some time. You can see one by one. Yeah, the name was lockdown. What I given? Key name, secretary group, defaults Ubuntu 18.04. Owner ID means your AWS email account ID. Yeah, here you can see description. You can check all the status of the instance. The same thing here available. Root, volume, IP, DNS, instance ID, all the thing also on the description. Now still instance status is an yes. Now status checks 2/2 checks, and you can see instance state running. So now our EC2 instance has been created, and now we can access this instance. So guys, you can see all the things here: EC2 dashboard, and instance ID, instance type, available John, instance state, status checks, alarm status, public DNS. All the things are we can see here. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye.